She said that she liked your steak well done. Just want to know, how's it tasting there, bud? Tastes good. Cool, that's what I like to hear. Keep up the good work, bud. Just because I'm not recording don't mean it ain't nothing going on. There's something going on, y'all. There's something going on. Something always going on. Got some cucumber right here that I chopped up. That's not getting cooked. That's just going on. Last. Now y'all can see what's going on. Chicken Steak University, man. Alright, y'all. Here go how we gonna do this. Putting the layer of guacamole down first. It's guacamole that I made. And I've been listening to my guy while I do what I do. You don't want a whole lot on there. It's chicken steak. Here's your steak, which I'm about to steal that piece. Shh. About to steal that piece of steak. And here's your chicken. So these, once again, cut up cucumber. Just gonna put a little bit. Alright. We're just gonna get it rolled up. Get it rolled on up. It's starting to break. That one is gonna be mine. Because that one's starting to break a bit. So that's gonna be mine. Alright. Alright, on to the next. Back with the wok. Get that smeared on that tortilla, that wheat tortilla. We're going wheat tonight. Do chicken on one side, steak on the other side on this. Get a little more onion on there. Cucumber. Alrighty. Your boy be forgetting how to roll up sometimes, man. Trying to figure out which way I want to do it. Pinch that inside. They're breaking. Second one to break. Which is gonna be okay. If they break, that's fine. This is just gonna sear them. So, sear them in the pan, you know how we do. Wok. Now wok. You can do it all by yourself. Buy you a drink, oh baby. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Tell me what you think about that. Driving in a gray Cadillac, we in the bed like, oh. Okay, I'm sorry. Get a little bit more. Just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. All right. These are fajitas, so no cheese. No chess. That was a nice one. That was a nice little roll right there. We're gonna keep on rolling until we run out of meat, pretty much. Just roll them all up, man. All right. Get that meat. The meat on there real quick. Put a little steak on that one. The chicken that way. That's all right. Okay. Guess I'll start using these lightly because I'm starting to run out of them. So that's all I'm gonna put on there. Get a little extra crunch, a little dramatic crunch off up in there. And the contrast. As you know, when you put see, the thing is, when you put a regular vegetable in something already seasoned, the vegetable tends to stand out because it hasn't been seasoned. So there's the contrast. And let's get it rolled up. Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna bring y'all a video of why I say yes. Yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got that from. I'm gonna show y'all where I got that from. I'm gonna make it short. And I'm gonna tell you where I got that from. Most of y'all already know. Everybody pretty much know. Like if you, oh man, I'm tripping. See here's how we're gonna have to make up for that. Yeah, we'll make up for it. Baby, I'm sorry for 2024, and I ain't gonna do it no more until 2044. All right, here we go. This one kind of light on meat. It's okay. It's okay. That just means that we get an extra. That's all. That's all that means. That's all. You gotta cheat the system sometimes. You gotta cheat the system sometimes. Back to the wok. Get it smeared. I don't like wok. Look, check this out. You gonna eat this this rolled up. Always. And I'm tucking it as I roll it. Yep, it's absolutely a tuck and roll. Yep, you're darn skinny. Alright, so just rubbing that wok, just getting that wok all over. Here, there, everywhere. A little light smear. Okay. Back to our meat. Just a whole strip right there, so screw it. We did our thing out here. We got as much as we can get. We got 7. We got 7 fajitas. Praise be to the king. All right. And I've come to respect the king. Shout out to MJ, man. All right. Quick toast, what are we doing? We're supposed to be on high heat. All right, here we go. We making it happen, Kevin. On the high heat. The high heat. Okay, you can see this is one of the ones that cupped open. It's okay. It's all good.